Hi, this is Zach with the Behr Real Estate team here at Keller Williams Real Estate. Thanks for taking the time to tune into our video today. Today we're going to talk about getting your home ready for the spring season. As we're entering into the end of the winter season, it's time to start considering spring cleaning. At the Behr team, we've actually partnered with one of our home inspectors, Walt Brennan, at Pillar to Post, and what we've come up with is a preventative maintenance inspection that Walt will do by coming out to your home. And what this will do is he'll look at all the major systems throughout the house, your plumbing, your electric, the roof, to really get a good gauge as to see if there's anything that needs fixing or touching up to prevent any future damage and costly repairs. So if you'd like to go the do-it-yourself route, I did come up with a few items that you may want to consider as you're entering into the spring season. The first one being is to clean out the gutters. Leaves tend to build up over time, which can cause water to get into the house. Second thing we want to look at is cleaning out the dryer vent. One of the leading causes of household fires are the backup of lint in the dryer vents. Third thing you want to do throughout the house is look at testing and replacing the batteries of all your smoke detectors and even your carbon monoxide detectors. Now the fourth thing on the list is going to be to inspect the HVAC. Make sure filters are changed and that it's working properly. If you have an AC system, make sure that it's free of any debris before you're ready to use it. So the fifth thing here on the list is going to be to do a visual inspection of not only the roof but also the siding. As a result of the ice and snow buildup from the winter storms, this often causes damage to both the roof and siding, which can create water leakage into the house. All right, so finally, number 6 I've got down here, it's time to clean the grill. As the weather gets nicer, it's time to get back out there and start enjoying the weather. If you'd like further information about the preventative maintenance inspection or would like just general information about what you can do yourself to get yourself ready for spring, feel free to give us a call or an email. Thanks again for tuning into our video. If you have any questions, feel free to touch base with us. Subscribe below if you'd like to see more videos.